Hiyo ndio.
Wacheni tuondoke kwa beach. Haya wazuri. Naomba hiyo heshima polisi wametupatia, wacheni.
Unaona vile hii
nobody will succeed in this country to curb carnage if you don't use stakeholders. There have never been a stakeholders meeting here. The other DG, today ask yourself, how many awareness, even in our media, have you seen coming from NTSA? And every year, we have campaigns. Today, we don't have any campaign launched by NTSA. Why? They have eaten all the money. They have eaten all the money. And now, unless they get money from the government, there is nothing they can produce to give the government. That is why we are saying, our president, listen to our cries. We are the people who elected you. Just listen to Anjiko. We have tears in our eyes. Every home has a grave. What are we going to do, Mr. President? Are we going to see these things happening? Accidents are killing more people than even COVID-19. Have killed many people. COVID, I think now it is about 1,500. We are talking of 5,000 and 10,000 injured. We don't know how many will die who are in the hospital. Terrorists has not killed as many people as accident. AIDS has never killed. Malaria has never killed many people as accident. So we must sit down as Kenyans. And this time, we as the Road Safety Association, we don't deal in politics. And we don't do anything to do with politics. Ours is to make sure that our roads are safe. Tutawacha kitu hapa, lakini kama polisi mungeturuhusu, mungewacha tuachilie panya moja peke yake.
Hapana.
Moja peke yake. Kampanya kamoja. Naomba hiyo heshima polisi wametupatia, wacheni.
Unaona vile hii